Hello, my name is Richard Andres Fuertes. This is my presentation, the postcard, the magical Machu Picchu. Located in Cusco, Peru, is an ancient city built by Incas. Hello, father and mother. I love very much. I am here in the Machu Picchu city. I walked 1 hour to climb up the mountain, and I can see the Machu Picchu city. This is a beautiful and magical place. I really like the mountain and the tail colors, but I don't like that the cloth is very expensive. I bought a jacket and cap because it's very cold and I have my bike. I miss you. Goodbye. Thank you.